Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make a custom header using Astra Site Builder. Alright, so let's say we have our site here, and we have our header section over here that we made using the customizer's header builder, right? But what if we wanted a custom header for a different section of our site? So let's say we went to our blog, and it was the same, and it's on our homepage, it was the same. But what if we wanted a different header for our product page? Okay, so let's get started and make sure that you have Astra Pro installed. If we click on Astra here on our dashboard, make sure that you have Pro and you have your license activated. So let's click on this left side, on the left side over here, Site Builder, and that should take us to our layouts. Okay, so we have our header over here. Let's click on that, and we don't have any right now, so let's click on Create New. And that should take us to the block editor, where we can create our header, layout or template, if you want to think about it that way, and we can configure it using the Astra settings over here. Alright, so let's call this shop header, and we can hide it or unhide it, it won't really appear. And now we can add a block, and let's start off with a container over here, and let's choose this one. So we want to put in our site logo and our site title. Okay, and again, you can use any block. So for instance, we have templates over here, which we can drag and drop or click on, and we should get this over here. So let's try using this. Okay, let's drag and drop that down over here, and you can see the difference between the two. And we can make one ourselves by adding a container, or using one of the templates. So let's go ahead and use this and remove the one that we made, just to make our lives a bit easier. And then for the navigation, we can choose to use, instead of the mega menu, we can use the primary menu. Okay, and this will all be here. All right, and let's say we wanted to add something extra cool, like just a simple paragraph over here, and then we can call it, let's use all caps, $150 off on each order over 500. Or I think this one might make more sense. Okay, and we have that there. And just like anything else, since we want this to be a bit simple, we could choose to, well, let's make the text first and foremost to white, and the background we can make it orange. All right, and then we can make this bigger, super big. That seems right, and that looks fine. And that's a bit too harsh, I think. There we go. That's a bit easier to read. Okay, then we're gonna add anchors and stuff. And let's say we didn't want our customers to see it on their mobile. We can hide it there. But this seems okay. This seems pretty usable. And we can add padding or stuff, but we don't really need that for this right now. So let's go ahead and enable it on our shop over here. And we have to make sure our layout is a header. We can make it sticky if we wanted to, and we can enable an effect, and we can make it stick on desktop and mobile, but let's keep it on desktop only. And here under display and user conditions, we can display it on our WooCommerce shop page and not to display it on other pages, but don't really have to fiddle with this unless there's a certain section where you wouldn't want it to be on. And then display on users logged in. Okay, so if we have customers for our web shop that logged in, they'd be able to see it. But if we have customers that aren't logged in, then they wouldn't be able to see the discount code. Okay, and then we have date and time conditions, so we can make this a time event. So if it was, let's say, a promo for first 50 customers on this day, or first 50 customers, first 100,000 customers, I don't know, on the first Tuesday of the month, first Friday of the month, you can set it up here with your time zone and everything. Okay, so we don't need to do that right now. You can configure it if you want to. But once we're happy with our layout here and whatever we want to add, we can also add images and so on. Let me show you. It's just the same as literally anything. You can put images, a slideshow, quotes, reviews, and the stuff live content here that changes, or a countdown timer. All right. So once we're happy with that, we can click on publish and make sure to publish it. And wait for it to update. Okay, it says it's live now. And let's say we're on our homepage on our website. Okay, it's cool. We have our call to action here. We have our cart. We have everything. But then if we went to our catalog, to our web shop, we can see that the header has changed. We have this cool, oh, that's pretty sick with the black highlight. We have this cool section of our header over here that's custom, and you're not limited again to above, primary, and below, because you can put as much as you want. It's basically unlimited to whatever you want to put here, and it makes it a bit easier for our users, for their user experience, to be able to distinguish the difference that, oh yeah, I am on the shop page right now, because it's very different. And oh, well, hey, take a look at this. There's a discount code. Whereas if we went to the blog page or the contact page, like, oh yeah, we're focusing on the content here, and by the way, I have products in my cart. So there's how you make a custom header on WordPress Astra using the site builder. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. It's free, by the way, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.